Hey folks, this is Matt with Priority Home Inspections, and on this job I'm in the attic, and this duct right here belongs to the dryer, and it should have a vent, a rooftop vent that it allows the water vapor to exhaust from. This one, for whatever reason, it doesn't have one. You could see the lint on the roof decking, and all this in the attic is lint. So there's quite a bit of lint built up. Also, this is putting a lot of water vapor into the attic, and it creates a fire hazard. This is just some of the stuff we see on a daily basis. When I was on the roof, we count the roof penetrations, and on this house we had 4 plumbing vents, and that was it. So when I saw that the dryer was going through the roof, I knew there wasn't a vent. The same with any bathroom exhaust fans. If this one doesn't have any, it has a window in each bathroom. But if there were exhaust fans in the bathroom, I would know right off the bat that they were venting into the attic. All right, folks. Thanks for watching. I'm going to get back to work. Check us out at brevardhomeinspector.com. Matt with Priority Home Inspections, signing off.